Tallahassee Memorial Hospital Healthcare announced Friday 20,000 people were impacted by an IT security breach in February. Information like names, addresses, and social security numbers became available to attackers during this breach. This is leaving many with questions as to how this attack happened and who should be on the lookout for compromised personal data. ABC 27's Kendall Brandt spent today asking officials with TMH questions and speaking with IT experts. Now, Kendall, were you able to figure out who was behind this attack?
Ava, TMH is not yet releasing the details about the person or group behind this attack because it is still under investigation. However, I spoke with an IT cybersecurity expert and professor at the University of Florida who says that this could happen to anyone, no matter how strong their IT security.
So no matter how much you upgrade, a sophisticated attacker, for example, researchers in my group, will be able to attack anything because we are ahead of rest of the world. But most of the places that get attacked, they don't even have bare minimum checks and balances.
University of Florida computer science professor Prabhat Mishra says that an attack as big as this could have started with something small.
Opening a web page and clicking and visiting some web page, that pretty much could be a triggering point. If it's a really weak network, if it's a really hard network, then I need to Kendall, I need to send you some fake message. I would have to make you believe I'm somebody legitimate and get your account information.
Although Tallahassee Memorial Hospital is not answering questions about how this happened or who is behind the attack, Mishra explains different scenarios of how easy it can be for a hacker to get your information and what they can do with it. When asked who was impacted, officials with TMH said it, quote, involved a limited number of patients. But those patients have had their names, dates of birth, addresses, and social security numbers compromised by hackers. TMH says they detected unusual activity involving their computer systems during the early morning hours of February 3rd, 2023, adding they took immediate action to contain the event, including reporting it to law enforcement and launching an investigation with independent experts. No financial or medical records were accessed, but Mishra says this could still put people impacted at risk of blackmail or identity theft. Officials with TMH wrote in a statement that all impacted will be notified by April 14th. Until then, Mishra says there are a few ways people can track to see if they were impacted by the breach.
You have to every day check your own bank account or whatever things you think would be jeopardized. You can check your bank account and anybody creating credit card with your name and that kind of stuff.
But he says to be on the lookout for any suspicious changes to accounts for several months after the information was accessed. I also asked TMH if any additional people could be impacted by this breach, and they told me that they've ran through all of those compromised files and there should not be any more people impacted besides those 20,000 that are going to be notified. Live in Tallahassee, Kendall Brandt, ABC 27.